In this video, we'll outline the process of assembling a SEAPA GTX basket. The first thing you'll need are your parts. These consist of the GTX mesh, a locking bar, a fixed end cap, an end cap with a door, 2 clips, and 2 clip locks. We recommend heating the mesh in the sun or carefully with an air heater to make these easier to work with. First, fold the mesh so the castellation housings sit over the castellations to form an oval shape. Fit the tongue from the top side into the insertion point to hold the mesh in place. Take the locking bar and align the directional arrows with the arrow marked on the mesh castellation. Push the locking bar through the castellations in the direction of the arrow until you hear it lock into place with a click. To add the clips or other basket accessories, unlock the locking bar by pushing the tail of the bar forwards with one hand and pushing down on the nose of the bar with the other hand. To add the clips, loop the clip locks through the end of the clips and install the clip lock onto the locking bar. Make sure the clips are facing the same direction. Once you have both clips in place, you can push the locking bar back into the locked position. Attach a fixed end cap to the basket on the end you inserted the locking bar from. Firmly push the end cap tabs onto the ears of the mesh cylinder until these click into place. Now attach the end cap with door. It helps to open the door to locate the cap with the ears of the basket cylinder. It will help your farm efficiency to have all end caps facing in the same direction. An optional identification plate is also available to help with farm management. Your baskets are now ready for the farm.